Hello. This is our farm. Have about 450 brood ewes. This is some of the lambs that we're having now. These here are about a week and a half, 2 weeks old. One's over there farther, or anywhere above that. Right here. And some more over here. Actually, there's one out here lambing right now. This is where the ewes that haven't lambed are at. On both sides. Can't really see on that side too much. Nasty weather the past couple days. There she is. It's better off to just leave them go by themselves than trying to help them. A lot of Hamp, Suffolk crosses, and we're getting more into Katahdins, as you can see. There's one, there's more. Some more using here with lambs. Bad lighting in here, can't really see. The bank barn. Right there, some of the bales we made that had the video of wrapping. I didn't videotape that wrapping, but you know, same concept. Here are a lot of other ewes. Besides the bales, we give them alfalfa, orchard grass, hay, second, third coat, and there's a bottle lamb. More ewes out here. All lambs out there playing and stuff. And scroll bills stacked up. Tune in for some more videos. Thanks.